Hello, welcome back. This is my friend Chloe, and she let me do her makeup today.
I did.
And our inspiration was a sunset.
I think you did great. I think it looks great. I love it. I feel like a model. You're awesome.
Thank you. Well, stay tuned to see how we put this look together. I'm gonna be using the Revlon photoready insta-filter as her foundation.
Don't go chasing a dream.
When I was a kid, I had like a bomb-ass skincare routine, like way better than I do now. Honestly, now for skincare, I don't do like anything. Literally nothing. Like I take off my makeup when the day is over.
Yeah, I wash my face and then like put lotion on it. And like sometimes I put this under eye cream to reduce puffiness.
Like I literally wash my face in the shower, and I do not wash my face like every day. I wash my face like when I take a shower.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me powder and put that all over her face.
Chasing a dream. What you do?
Ooh, Inception. For her contour and blush, I'm gonna use the NARS-issist palette. This is the brush I'm gonna be using for her contour.
What you do?
This is the brush I'm going to be using to contour her nose and underneath her lip. I'm going to be using the Neutrogena Soft Color Blush. So I'm gonna kind of fill in her eyebrows, but they're so perfect already that it almost looks like I filled them in already. Okay, I'm gonna be using the Anastasia lip palette for her eyebrows.
Blade.
Don't go chasing a dream. What you do? Don't go chasing a dream. What you do?
I'm gonna set her face with the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. I'm gonna use my Revolution highlighter palette. I'm gonna be using this orange one.
I'm really excited to be here.
Yay! Now I'm gonna highlight the rest of her face with the same orange highlighter. Now I'm gonna be using the NYX Ultimate palette. We're gonna be using this dark purple here. Now I'm gonna take this pink color. I'm gonna use the Revlon photoready insta-filter foundation to make a cut crease on her eyelid. I'm gonna use this orange to fill in the cut crease. Oh yeah, bitch, this gonna look like a sunset. Ooh. Now I'm going to be using the NYX White Liquid Liner.
Don't let go.
Now I'm gonna go underneath her eyes with this dark purple.
What you do? Ooh,
Now I'm gonna put this right underneath her tear duct.
don't let go. Chasing a dream.
Now she's gonna do her own mascara with the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. Now I'm gonna use the Anastasia lip kit for her lipstick. You look like me.
Literally.
Like you look like
I'm like
me,
literally.
like, you do.
I really do.
Send that to your mom. Be like Mariah reincarnated.
Thank you so much to everybody that has continued to support me. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more of my work. Thank you so much to Chloe. I will tag all of her social media. I will also tag all of my social media below, as well as music credits if you like this song, and all of the makeup product information. Thank you so much. I can't even explain to you how much I appreciate you. See you next time. Bye.